सिर्फ पेशेंट को रेफर करना रेफरल लिंक कहलाता है। फॉलो अप तक कनेक्शन बनाना ही WHO रेफरल लिंक के सिस्टम है। सो हेलो गाइस, टुडे वी डिस्कस अबाउट द अपडेटेड रेफरल लिंक के सिस्टम एज पर WHO गाइडलाइंस 2026। रेफरल लिंक के सिस्टम मीन्स अ स्ट्रक्चर्ड कनेक्शन बिटवीन डिफरेंट लेवल्स ऑफ हेल्थ केयर सो पेशेंट रिसीव द राइट ट्रीटमेंट एट द राइट प्लेस एंड राइट टाइम। According to WHO, strong referral system ensure continuity of care, timely treatment, reduce overcrowding in tertiary hospitals, better use of resources, improve patient safety. Now, what is referral? A referral is the movement of a patient from one healthcare provider facility to another for better diagnosis, treatment, investigation, or specialist care. Counter referral means the patient is sent back to the primary level for follow-up after treatment. Now, coming onward, levels of referral linkage system. Primary level care include sub-center health and wellness center, PSC, community health nurse, family physician. Secondary level care includes CSC, district hospital, specialist OBD. Tertiary level care includes medical college, super specialty hospital, ICU centers. WHO updated referral linkage flow, standard patient pathway, primary care, secondary care, tertiary care, back referral to primary care. WHO emphasizes two-way communication between the facilities. Now coming onwards, types of referrals: emergency referral, immediate transfer for MI, stroke, shock, severe bleeding, obstetric emergency. Routine referral, example, specialist opinion, investigation, elective surgery. Reverse referral, counter referral, patient returns to PSC for follow-up medicine, rehabilitation, long-term care. WHO components of strong referral linkage system. The very first standard referral form होना चाहिए, प्री रेफरल स्टेबलाइजेशन होना चाहिए. WHO हाईलाइट करता है अर्जेंट प्री रेफरल ट्रीटमेंट सेव लाइफ, कम्युनिकेशन बिटवीन फैसिलिटीज, सेफ ट्रांसपोर्ट, फीडबैक सिस्टम. अपडेटेड 2026 डिजिटल रेफरल सिस्टम. WHO supports digital integration, e-referral portal, unique patient ID, electronic records, real-time bed availability, teleconsultation before referral tracking system. Now, the problems in weak referral system is delay in treatment, patient lost in system, duplicate test, overcrowded tertiary hospitals, high cost, poor follow-up. WHO recommended improvements 2026. Gatekeeping role of primary care. Primary care decides who truly needs high center referral. Defined services at each level. Clear rules. What PSC can treat versus hospital can treat. Financing linkage. Insurance payment should encourage proper referral pathways. Community awareness. Teach public where to go first. Regular audit. Track referral delays, deaths, unnecessary referrals. Nursing role in referral linkages. Identify danger signs, stabilize the patient, prepare referral slip, inform receiving center, educate family, arrange transport, document care, follow up after discharge.